If your phone is getting unusually hot, you could try these 5 simple fixes. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to begin with, first thing first, you could try and look for software update. So open up settings on your device, scroll down to system, locate software update from the very top. You could then go ahead and check if there is any available updates or not. Head back, then you could also go ahead and look for app section in this case. Right over here, go ahead and look for see all apps and make sure to delete any sort of unnecessary or unused app on your device. So in this case, what you could also do is you could force stop the app as well. For that, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the force stop button and select the OK. And next you could do the same thing for rest of the other apps. If you're not using it, you could go ahead and uninstall it as well. After that you've done this, head back to the very settings page once again. Here you want to make sure to locate locations, turn off your Wi-Fi scanning. For that you want to go to location services. There is Wi-Fi scanning, so toggle the button off for this. You could also stop using your phone while charging as well. You could avoid games, watching videos, or using demanding app while your phone is charging. You could let it charge without heavy use as well. You could also try reducing or lowering your screen brightness. For that, you could simply swipe down from the very top of your quick settings panel. You could tap onto it. This is going to be into a full mode. You could decrease it, and you could also enhance this extra dim options if you like. Now that you've done this, you could also simply restart. So sometimes a simple restart can stop background processing that may be causing excessive heating as well. So hold on to your power button and you could go ahead and select the restart button, and this is definitely gonna help you out. So this way you should be able to fix your phone getting hot. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.